Hello everybody, here's Andreas Korte, PHI Essences. We are doing international conferences and we are doing a lot of investigation worldwide. PHI Essences, we started in 1984 with a new kind of system that is called the crystal method, and since 91 we are working with the first worldwide essence from dolphins, from wild dolphins from the sea. And since 20 years now we are doing investigation also with orchid essences from the Amazon, and also with the topic of radiation treatment with T1 essence. Holistic light treatment we do since the year 2000, and since 1996 we are working with crop circle essences. Discover, welcome. I would like to welcome you to the Essences to Discover, and we have a first workshop now in Taiwan, and you are welcome to register if you want. It's on the 7th and the 8th of November. So we are talking about the essences from the cactus, that is very important for the protection. We are talking about the rose essences, healing from the heart, and the investigation I did in the Amazon forest with the orchid essences, and this is especially for the pain treatment. Then we are talking about the message of the dolphins and the whales. The dolphin essence is the most important. We use also the pendant from the dolphin essence. And we are talking about the sea essences and the first kit of the ocean essences. So welcome and discover. Thank you very much.